Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn money from YouTube without making videos by yourself. So it's really trending on YouTube and nowadays, and I thought that I should also tell you. So before getting into this, please subscribe the channel and like the video and press the bell icon so that every video related to online learning comes, you should get it by first you have to get into the Chrome browser. I have for Firefox, that's why I'm here. So you can use any browser. Now you should have a YouTube channel, and of course you have, so you are here. And you have to search on uh, your browser about Pixabay. Now what is this? This is really, it gives like copyright free images, videos, and all contents you want to upload on YouTube. It gives you copyright free, and which you can use to upload like without like any you can say any hard work. It You can use it. Like I select here cats, and it will give me all the videos related to cats. Okay, so I will use them, and I will upload them without any copyright. Okay, I will get no copyright out of here. There is no chance of getting a copyright because it's copyright free. And look, high quality stock videos, and these are all for free. Okay, so you can use them and you can upload it on YouTube without like any uh, hard work. You can upload these and you can monetize your channel fast, and you can earn money. So like I said before, there are many websites, not only Pixabay. There is also uh, Pixel app website. Okay, Pexel, sorry, Pexels. So it's also, it gives the same things about that. Like I search for cats, and it will give me all the videos related to cats. It's cat photos. I click on the videos, and it will give me all the videos related to cats. Look, so we can use it to like for making our videos, and we can like upload this video and earn a lot of money from YouTube. So you can mostly earn like 6,000 to $7,000 per month. And I'm telling you because I've tried this, and it's a really like a good thing for a new YouTuber to start, and like without any hard work. So you can use it, and you can earn money online. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you have understood all this thing, and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and please, there are more video available related to horses and cats. So you can use all of them. At least upload 3 to 4 videos daily on your channel, so that your channel grows and impression goes to the people watching your videos. Thank you.